Hey team, this question asks us to convert miles to yards. I want you to look for what operation and rule I have to use to convert miles to yards. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my table. We're starting with miles and we're going to yards. That's where we want to end up. Okay, step one is we need to find our conversion rate for miles to yards. I know that miles to yards is a distance measurement, and I can see in the chart that 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. So we're going to go ahead and put that rate into our chart. 1 mile is equivalent to 1,760 yards. Next thing I need to do is I actually have to figure out what the rule is. I got to think, well, if I'm going from 1 to 1,760, what rule did we use? I know if we're increasing, we used a multiplication rule. And if we're decreasing, we used a division rule. Since this is increasing, I know we are multiplying. And we're multiplying by 1,760. 1 times 1,760 equals 1,760. Next thing we have to do is we have to apply that rule to our 4 miles. So we have to go ahead and plug in our 4 miles. So 4 miles, oh, let's make that a little darker. And we want to convert it to yards. So we're going to apply that same rule. 4 times 1,760. Now when I multiply 4 times 1,760, we get 7,040. So 4 miles is equal to 7,040 yards. Notice that we used a multiplication rule because we were increasing, and notice that we were multiplying by 1,760 as our rule.